Australia has some of the finest and freshest ingredients in the world, yet a lot of children still don't know what certain vegetables are or where their food actually comes from. Multi-award-winning chef Peter Shepherd, who runs one of Greater Sydney's finest family dining destinations, has stepped in to share his knowledge.
I love the teamwork, the camaraderie and the dedication that goes into making great food.
It's this passion and creativity that I want to share with the younger generation.
Each episode I'll be taking 2 local kids on a culinary adventure here in my chef's kitchen.
This is Foodie School.
Today we're joined by 2 new young chefs. We've got Taylor and Kendra. Do you have any idea what we're going to be making today?
Pasta.
Have you either made pasta before?
I've helped my dad out of the packet, yeah.
Out of the packet. We're going to make it today using flour,
Egg.
oil. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to get you girls to do is we're going to need to separate our eggs. So you know what's inside these? You've got the white bit and the yellow bit.
I know how to separate them, so you keep going until all the yolks out of the egg.
There you go, show me, let's do it. So I just want the yolks. Another egg coming your way.
It's an egg.
2. All right, this last one, we just want the whole egg into there, okay? Perfect. Next, we need to add a little bit of oil. So you're going to stir this for me, okay? Start in the middle, like that, and you're dragging it all in from the outside. So we have to tip this out onto the board like that. I'm going to start it, so you're just squashing it all in and mushing your hands through it, kneading it. So when we've done this, we have to wrap this up nice and tight in cling film, just like that for 1 hour, and it's going to rest. If you feel it now, it all feels tight like that, like it's all stressed, right? And when we leave it, it's going to get relaxed and it's going to feel all soft.
Relax.
This one I made earlier, which we're going to roll out. Let's go around this side and roll it out. First thing we have to do is squish it flat. Now what you're going to do is just start on the biggest number.
Whoa, this is getting longer and longer and longer.
So we've been stretching it only this way, and now
And
what
now
are
we're
we
going to stretch it wider.
That's right, you got it. A little bit of flour on there, and now we're going to fold it up like a book. 1, 2, like that, and winding the handle. Drop it down to 8 for me.
How far do we go?
1. You got a lot of winding to do. It makes it really hard to roll.
From Italy?
Pasta is from Italy. Good guess. You're doing really well. Keep it coming, that's it. And you can use this for making lasagna. You could roll it out and make raviolis, but we're going to make cannelloni.
It's the pasta with the tube.
In the tubes, right. But inside we're going to have peas and cheese and bacon.
I hate peas. Vegetables are very good for you, Taylor. I hate vegetables.
Come on around this side and let's make them up. What I need you to do is to cut through there. Just going to put a little bit of flour across here. Did you have a joke to tell me?
Yes.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because Chef Peter wanted to chase it, to cook it.
I would eat it too. Now these, what we need to do is cook them. We're going to pop these in the boiling water and then we're going to pull them out and then we're going to roll up the filling. So the first thing we're going to do is mush up some peas with a fork a little bit.
Sure.
And you're going to peel some snow peas. So you hold the top and you peel off the string. You're going to put down a little row of peas. You're going to grab some cream cheese, bacon. Cooked bacon has got to be cooked. And then we're going to put a couple of our snow peas in there as well like that. So we're going to roll the whole thing over like that. And we're going to pop them all in there like that. All right, off you go. Put lots of peas in. We've got to get the peas in. We're going to make you love peas today.
Trying to put some more peas in.
Awesome.
Because I love bacon.
Bit of cheese, give it a good sprinkle for me. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Ah, so good, so good. Now we're going to go and put this in the oven. It's going to be on a steamer.
Super duper.
We're going to finish it with a little bit of oil. These are the plant that the snow peas came from. Let's try it.
That looks yummy.
Yeah, dig in. How's that?
Good. Beautiful.
Fantastic.